refreshing mango and sorrel drink. Perfect for this summer heat and very tasty. So if you want to see how I achieve this one, continue watching. Welcome back. If it's the first time here, welcome. My name is Nicola, and this channel you'll find easy to follow recipes. And to my day one returning supporters, thank you guys so much. So we're jumping straight into the video. Here I have a ripe mango. I'm going to peel this and remove the inner flesh, blend this and put aside. So continue watching. So now I'm just going to pass this through our sieve and set aside. This is my homemade sorrel syrup. Some country they call it Jamaica flour or hibiscus. Yes, I'm going to link the video to this one. I don't know which video will come first. And we're also going to need a club soda or Sprite. Sprite work well as well. And the juice from half a lime, and set those aside. To the juice jar of choice, I'm going to add the mango puree to maybe a quarter of the jar, and then we're going to put as much ice as possible. I wish I had crushed ice. This would come out much better. So if you have crushed ice, go ahead and do that. So now I'm going to add my ice. Now followed by our lime juice and then our homemade sorrel syrup. After adding the syrup, we're going to add the soda water, stir well and enjoy. This is tangy, a bit sweet, but I'm telling you, it really hit the spot because these days it's very hot. So I hope that you did enjoy this one and that you will like the video, share and drop me a comment below. I like the video as well. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. So we're just going to stir this. So the syrup has gone to the bottom of the jar. So we have to stir this well. For garnish optional, you can use a thin slice of lime. So thanks again for watching guys. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.